Get it! Get it! What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We got some Castrol Edge high mileage. We're gonna be changing some oil in my car. Got some Mobil 1. None of that sissy Fram shit. Got a nice 15 on there. Oh. Yeah, let's tell you one thing. I'd love to sock the motherfucker who made this. The oil filter is all the way behind fucking everything. I don't even know if that fucking pan's under there. I hope to God it is. Drop that fucking filter down there. Come around here. Hopefully it's not spitting all over the fucking driveway. Oh, it is. Great. Just what I fucking needed. Great. God damn it. I heard that's actually really good for your driveway. Get oil on it. It just seals all them cracks up real nice. Get back under here, put the old drain monkey plug back in. Put the bitch back in. I wish I had a better way of recording shit. I'm trying to fuck a monkey in the ass trying to do this. Everything's fucking covered in oil in here. My fucking Riggerman exhaust here is fucking covered. I gotta get down here and clean this fucking fuel or fucking oil filter adapter the fuck off. Huh?
And after you're done with the oil change, what you do is you throw this fucking quick gel on top of the engine. That's what you do.
Where the fuck?
It melts everything, rust everything.
Where the fuck's the adapter?
That damn adapter's in your grandpa's bedroom. Where they plug it into the 2020 electric bolt.
Fucking 2020 electric bolt? Where the fuck is this adapter at? It's like trying to finger bang a fucking monkey, trying to grab this fucking thing.
Well, there in this fucking tire. Well, fucking helium made that fuck way.
I'd love to fucking punch the fucking guy who made this fucking thing. Now I gotta try to finger fuck this filter on. Shit, I gotta put oil on the rim, that's right. Son of a bitch. Let me get the oil. Yeah.
Look at here. We're gonna open this
if
fucking lid up.
Yeah, if I can get the motherfucker.
Eat your
Can you help
goddamn,
me, Daddy?
eat your goddamn Wheaties.
I can't get the motherfucker.
Oh my God. What a fucking motherfucker. He's gotta eat some Black Creek fish in order to fucking take that off.
I can't get the fucking thing. Daddy, can you help me, Daddy?
Yeah.
Help me,
Watch
Daddy.
this. This is what happens when you eat Black Creek crawdads. Right off.
What the fuck?
Right off. One hand.
Son of a bitch.
Them fucking cowboy boots ain't doing him any fucking good.
Holy shit. Fucking Quick Joe. That was my name in the bedroom. Used to be Quick Joe. Fucking dip your finger in there. Fucking lube it up like a fucking freshman's pussy.
Mine's called Fast Fuck.
Fast fuck.
My name isn't in the bedroom, it's Fast Fuck.
Fast fuck. I'll tell you, I would wish I could punch this motherfucker who made
Punch
this.
it?
No, the fucking guy who made this fucking thing. Fuck. Yeah, they only get paid fucking $100,000 to design the fucking thing.
Cowboy boots and have a pair of red Jordans in the back seat.
For the gym, asshole.
I heard what works real good is if you add a little bit of water into the oil.
Yeah.
That way it speeds up the viscosity.
I heard that's real fucking good. That's something some asshole would do
I
too,
still
though.
can't believe somebody.
Fucking filter. Oh, go on. Let me fucking switch hands here then. You don't want to do the fuck on one way, I'll fucking put one the other way, son of a bitch. Yeah, fucking two ugga duggas. To the fucking left. To the right. Yeah. Oh, my fucking neck's cramping up. My fucking neck cramped the fuck up from eating too much pussy.
One time I was fucking a dog and my dick got stuck.
It's fucking tight.
Let me get in here. Where is the goddamn son of a bitch?
Right down behind the power steering there.
Who did ever put this here?
I know. Fucking idiot.
Ah. That's tight.
That's tighter than a fucking lunch pussy on Christmas Eve. trying to put the fucking oil in here. You know how many quarts this takes? You know how many quarts this takes? I think 4.
I say 4.
I want to say 4. You just get out the odor's manual here. Give it to me, baby. Give me that fucking oil. Gotta change your fucking oil. Engine oil. Better off fucking looking it up. I don't even fucking tell you.
You have your plug back in?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna leave it open.
Yeah. It's good to coat the driveway. I'm gonna shut this chrome dad off.
Alright.
It's all warmed up.
She's just fucking eating it. Jeez. Another heifer in there. Another heifer. Another heifer in there. A little bit more. Oh, you couldn't get fucking better. I swear to God, you couldn't. You could not do any better. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. What fucking song is that?
Oh my darling
Clementine. Lose my fucking rat.
You have to ask the old lady if she's on the rack.
Yeah, she usually. Jeez.
It's 27 days out of 30 she's on the goddamn rack. This is a nice car, 1999 Chevy Cavalier RS.
Yeah, RS.
RS twin turbo.
Whipple.
Oh, extra big alternator. DC headers, high flow cat. Oh, a brake boosting with 6 piston brake calibers.
6 brake boosted cat. Fucking headers. The headers are holding up. And they didn't fucking split again.
60 at 14.74 seconds.
Can you imagine if I took this in a fucking drag strip? How bad this thing would looking, man. I gotta degunk this fucking thing. We gotta do that to the blue car.
Fucking trash in the car. You can pick up another fucking 20 mile an hour.
What trash? Another 20 miles an hour.
What is in here?
I just gotta put on my shit back.
Flamer Reaper.
Flamer Reaper?
Flamer Reaper. Oh shit.
Oh, it's hard to find good help around here. It really is.
It's really hard to find fucking any help. I tried to train my cat how to change my oil.
Fucker wouldn't do it.
They wouldn't do it.
Maybe I could do that now. Maybe not. Never fucking know. And take it back down. Take the jack stands out. I didn't want to fucking get crushed. Oh my fucking Cavalier. If you died with a Cavalier, you fucking lost at life. That's my fucking meaning to it.
How bad is the rust under there?
Shut this shit down and test her out. I don't even know what the fucking keys are in it still. Let's let it run. You see anything? Tripping? Yeah, I didn't do that. I know, yeah, I was trying to get it, but I couldn't fucking get to it. I would never dump oil in the driveway. Oh, shit. Holy fucking shit. That ain't doing fucking nothing. Holy fuck. It's like fucking Gulf of Mexico. Jesus. Who would do that?
I don't know. Probably something.
Yeah, it'll clear up. Motherfucker. Yep. Take her down the road because it's got a little bit of a drip situation. Nobody coming that way. Let me go that way. Back the bitch up. Fucking send her. Fucking send the bitch down the road. See how she goes. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's no fucking lights on, so, I mean, can't be that bad. I think I did a pretty fucking bang up job. For being 2 fucking hillbillies in the middle of nowhere. Fucking bang a Yui right here. Rip her up. Fucking send her back down, see if she's still fucking dripping. If she's still dripping, then I don't know what the fuck to do. I'll stick my fucking pecker in the oil filter and see what it does. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. We had a little bit of an oil leak situation that we had to deal with, but we got that figured out, and I'll be hitting you with another video probably this week or next week. So subscribe if you want, like it. I'll see you next week.